Now, this particular oil is a replica of a particular expensive oil, but this is the cheaper version. And I will tell you that a lot of people are gushing over this particular oil because it is absolutely amazing to their faces. There are some oils you should never put on your skin directly. You should mix it into something. I told you they are super effective oils that deliver to your skin what they say they are going to do. These are oils that are going to brighten your skin, glow your skin, heal your skin, revitalize your skin, rejuvenate your skin, and give you a super glowing, youthful skin. I left the best for the last. It contains very amazing oil combinations. So today we are going to be talking about 5 best top face oils for your face. Now, there are so many face oils in the market that you can use, but there are not a lot of face oils that can actually give you what your skin wants. A lot of face oils are going to damage your skin if you do not take time. That is why this list is limited to 5, and that is because I took my time to go through the ingredients one after the other, and I made sure that each bottle I am going to recommend to you today contains what I deem fit for it to contain, that makes it suitable for your face, that will make the face oil not to break you out, that will make the face oil not to make your face condition worse than it was. If there's any skin product that you should be very intentional when buying, it is a face oil. And that is why I don't come out here and randomly just talk about face oils, because our face is can be very sensitive to oils. It can clog your pores, it can cause you acne. Even if you have dry skin, you can use a face oil that is going to cause you acne if you don't know the product mixture and all of that. So these 5 products I am going to be giving you today, they are my top best, not just my personal top best because it's me, but these are top best products from reputable brands that I have gone through the ingredients list, and they are suitable for all skin types. Whether you have oily skin, normal skin, combination skin, you can use these oils. And this is because this is not just a combination of oils. These oils contain other ingredients, hydrating ingredients, skin conditioning ingredients in them that will also aid in hydration and not just moisturization that facial oils give. So yeah, that is the intro of today's video. If you're interested, please do hit the like button. Do not always forget to do that for my videos. Subscribe if you are not. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I am highly impressed to see you here. Welcome to the channel, and consider subscribing if you have not. Then let's go ahead. So the facial oils we're going to be talking about today, what they are going to specifically do for your face are, they are going to be targeting fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone. So if your face is darker than your body, yes, it's going to help you with that. It's going to help to glow your skin. It's going to help to hydrate your skin. It's going to help to moisturize your face. Okay, so it's going to do all these things for you and more, make you look younger. Yes, because I'm going to giving you a list of their ingredients, and you're going to see the quality of oils contained in this very product. So after telling you the products, at the end of the video, we are going to be talking about how to use these products for different skin types. It is very important to know how to use these face oils depending on your skin type. Okay, and at the end of the video, I have a bonus oil for people looking for a specific type of oil. So do watch to the end to see what the bonus oil is going to be. So the first oil on our list is actually an oil that has a very special ingredient, which I'm going to be listing for you. So, and that is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Face Oil. Now, this brand has a face oil, and we all know that Palmer's is a very good brand, and their products actually do what they say that they do. So please permit me to read out the ingredient list for you. Okay, so it contains almond oil, it contains sesame oil, coconut oil, macadamia nut oil, apricot seed oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, rose hip oil. It contains retinol and vitamin C. Now that is the special ingredient it contains, which makes this particular oil an anti-aging oil, anti-wrinkle, anti-fine line oil. Now, even if you don't have wrinkles, you don't have fine lines yet, this particular oil is going to help to brighten your face. If we know one thing about retinol, vitamin A, it is smoothing of face, it is plumping of skin. Okay, so that is why I said that this oil, I took my time to pick the ingredients for you. So this particular one is very, very good. So if you're in your late 20s, early 30s and above, you should actually get this oil. This is a very good oil to have in your skincare routine because it's going to help to even out your skin because of the retinol in it. Let's not even talk about all the organic oils in this particular face oil that is going to help to, if you have skin barrier issues, if you have damaged your skin, your facial skin in the past due to bad facial products, if you're having redness on your skin, this oil is going to help to heal your skin barrier even while it is brightening your skin. So it is both going to nourish your skin, hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, and heal your skin. And this particular one just goes for $9, which in Nigerian naira now it should be around 13 to 14k. Okay, and please do watch the end because I am going to tell you the perfect way to use facial oils. Please, it is very important to know how to use these oils. All right, so we are going to go over to the second product, which is advanced clinicals turmeric face oil. Now this is a clearing and brightening oil. Now if your major issue is brightening of your skin, you want to brighten your skin, this particular one is the best bet for you. But the first one also can be used by all skin complexions, whether you are fair caramel or fair skin, you can use it. But if your major issue is healing your skin, redness, restoring moisture into your skin, then I would say you should go for that one. But if your key problem is brightening your face is darker than your body, then this second one is very, very good for you. Let me read out the ingredients for you. It contains turmeric root extract. Now we know that turmeric is a very strong antioxidant that doesn't just brighten your skin, but while it's brightening your skin, it is targeting any blemishes on your skin. So if you have acne scars on your skin, this particular one is actually very, very good. It also contains oat kernel oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, lavender oil. Lavender oil is one of my best oils because it's very, very good for your skin. It also contains rice bran extract. Now, rice bran extract is a Korean skincare ingredient that is very good for brightening the skin. In fact, lightening the skin. Any product you see rice bran extract, just know that that particular ingredient has lightening potential in it, not so much, okay, but it is going to lighten pigmentation, it is going to smoothen your skin, it is going to give you that glass skin feel. It also contains sunflower extract, rosemary leaf extract, glycerin, and all of those things. Now if you're having puffy eyes due to aging, even not even aging, some people just have that puffy eye thing, okay, this particular oil, a lot of people that have used it recorded like dramatic change on their skin with their eyes and all of those things. So face oils are, that's why I said that face oil is a product you need to really, really pay attention when you are buying, because oils are actually very, very potent. There are some oils you should never put on your skin directly. You should mix it into something. But these are oils that you can put topically on your skin and they are safe and will give you your desired result. So I hope I have made myself clear. The first one is specifically for healing, for nourishing, for moisturization, and also for the vitamin A benefit, which will help you with fine lines and wrinkles. But if your issue is typically brightening your skin, you are a fair person but your face is dark, use this particular one. Okay, now the third one is the good oil face oil. This particular oil has the highest review. Okay, on Amazon, it has the highest review. This oil is actually super nice. Now, it contains jojoba oil, jojoba seed oil, sunflower seed oil, almond seed oil, apricot seed oil, calendula flower extract, turmeric root extract, rosemary extract, honeysuckle flavor extract. Are you seeing a difference in ingredients? Now, when it comes to oils, okay, like let me use almond. There is a difference between almond oil and almond seed oil. There is a big difference between this. Now, almond oil, you can use it on your body, but when you use it on your face, it might clog your face. But almond seed oil, when used on the face, it is not going to clog your face. That is why I said that when you are buying oils, you should be very, very
Intentional.
let me not finish listing these ingredients, and then you go out and see an oil that has similar ingredients and you just go and pick it because you heard me say some ingredients. They might not be from the right source. They might not be as refined as this particular one. The way an oil is refined makes it different from the same oil that is not properly refined. I hope you get that. So this particular oil, all the oils used were derived from the nut, from the seed of the flower or the seed of the tree, and that makes the oils used in this particular oil super potent and also super light. Okay, so this particular oil is good. It helps to brighten the skin, it helps with pigmentation, it helps to glow your skin. Now, the fourth on our list is byoma hydrating recovery oil. Now, this particular face oil, okay, is hydrating. Some oils are more hydrating and some oils are more moisturizing. Some oils are both moisturizing and hydrating. I know why I'm taking my time to explain this so you will know the one you are actually going for. Now, the first three I have mentioned, they are both moisturizing and hydrating to your skin. But this particular fourth one is more hydrating to your skin. In as much as it is an oil, why is it more hydrating? It is because it contains a lot of skin hydrators. It contains a lot of ingredients that will condition your skin. So that is why it is a hydrating oil. And if you have skin barrier issues, like if you notice that your skin barrier has been tampered with, your skin barrier has been cracked, this particular oil is good because it contains ceramides, okay, which is good for skin barrier healing. Now, these are some of the ingredients. It contains sunflower seed oil, macadamia seed oil, jojoba seed oil, almond oil. It contains skin conditioners. So this oil is very, very good, and the fact that it also contains ceramides is actually wonderful. It is going to smoothen your skin and heal your skin barrier. And when your skin barrier is healed, your skin appearance, your skin texture, everything is going to be improved. Now, over to the last oil on our list, and that is the Derma vitamin C glow face oil. Now, this one contains special face this one contains special oils, which made me to leave it to the last. Like, I left the best for the last. It contains very, very amazing oil combinations. Now, let me read it to you so you also confirm. Okay, it contains sunflower seed oil, jojoba seed oil, raspberry seed oil. It contains cranberry seed oil. It contains sea buckthorn seed oil. It contains turmeric root oil. It contains ginger root oil, and it also contains mica. Now, this particular oil is a replica of a particular expensive oil, but this is the cheaper version. And I will tell you that a lot of people are gushing over this particular oil because it is absolutely amazing to their faces. This oil is going to moisturize, hydrate, glow, and revitalize your skin. So that we talked about, I was going to mention, is from the same Derma E brand, and that is the Derma E anti-wrinkle treatment oil. It contains rosehip oil, grapeseed oil. It contains vitamin E, okay, which is a very good antioxidant. It contains vitamin A, which is retinol. It contains camphor, it contains sage oil, and it contains lavender oil. It contains safflower oil. It contains other things, but these are the ones I can mention for you. This particular oil is actually very, very nice. It is going to help with fine lines, with wrinkles, with dryness, with flakiness. It is going to help to make your face, to be supple and always moisturized. So how do you use these oils? The best way to use your facial oils is to use them in little quantities. Remember, these are oils. In as much as these are oils that are non-comedogenic, that is, they are not going to clog your pores, you are still supposed to use them in very little quantity, not more than 2 drops on your face and 1 drop for your neck. So you are going to be using a total of 3 drops. Okay, a total of 3 drops. Some people, you can even use 2 drops, 1 drop for your face and 1 drop for your neck. You are not supposed to use oils, no matter whether comedogenic or non-comedogenic. You're not supposed to use oils in high quantities, because oils are super effective. And these ones I mentioned for you here, I told you they are super effective oils that deliver to your skin what they said they are going to do. These are oils that are going to brighten your skin, glow your skin, heal your skin, revitalize your skin, rejuvenate your skin, and give you a super glowing, youthful skin. Okay, so do not overuse these oils. Use them 2 to 3 drops. Okay, morning and night, or just at night. Now you can use them alone. Okay, if you are someone that has oily skin or combination skin, you can use the oils alone the days you want to use them, and keep using your lotion. Okay, but if you have dry skin, it is best to use your oils after you use your face moisturizer. So after you use your face moisturizer, give your face some seconds to soak in your moisturizer, then you follow up with your facial oil. Now oils are emollients. They seal in the moisture on your face. So you don't apply oil and then apply your lotion. You are not sealing in the lotion you're supposed to seal in, because your lotions contain more of water, more of hydration. So the oil is the emollient. The oil is the thing that is going to lock in the moisture into your skin, so it should be used last. Okay, so you can use it without a lotion, a face moisturizer, and you can also use it with your face moisturizer. Now let's say you are someone that you are scared of using oils at all. Your face is super oily and acne prone, but you still want to use these oils. Okay, now what you're going to do is you can add it into your facial moisturizer. Add some drops, or when you put your face moisturizer, you just add a drop of the oil in your face moisturizer. Any quantity you use of this product, you are going to get results, and that is because these products are super effective. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you have more questions, let me know in the comment section. If you have used any of these products, let us know how they wear on your skin, or you know someone that have used them. Let us know your thoughts and your comments in the comment section. I always love to hear from you all, because you all are my family and my friends. Thank you for always sticking around with me, watching my videos, liking and sharing. I truly appreciate. Thank you. Please remember to like this video if you have not, and I'm going to see you on our next one.